What is up, everybody? Welcome to the shop. I'm Randy from Illiminate, and today we are installing APG X Illiminate big brake kit for the R32 Skyline GTR. I just want to say it is truly an honor to be a part of the APG team. It was very fun creating the design for this, and I'm really excited. We're currently doing a power build for the R32 GTR, and with more power, what do we need?
More stopping power.
Exactly. I'm here with Alvin and Kyle, and they're going to be telling you guys a little bit more about the APG performance brakes.
What's going on, guys? My name is Alvin. I'm from Pristine Parts, but also here on behalf of APG Performance Brakes.
What's up, guys? It's Kyle here from Unparalleled on behalf of APG USA, here to show you guys a little bit more about the brake kit for Randy. It does come with all the needed hardware, so it is a direct bolt-on kit. Your caliper brackets are right here. Stainless steel brake lines, and pretty much everything except for the tools you need to install.
So here we have a custom set made just for Randy, APG X Illiminate, just specially engraved just for him. This one's the rear, the 4-piston, as you can see, and then this one's the front, which is 6-piston, and this is a full 330mm kit. It does come with, brake pads.
The calipers and the rotors themselves are made out of 6061 aerospace alloy, and they're actually 2-piece rotors and removable top hats, which you can also get in any color combinations as well. You have caliper brackets here, and you also have all the mounting hardware for the calipers and some red Loctite. So they are fully customizable, guys. They do come in plenty different sizes, all applications. Pretty much any car you guys want to build, APG will make you a BBK for it. The rotors themselves are a 2-piece. The top hats are anodized with a special coating, also color of your choice, to prevent rust. So no more nasty top hats after washing your car. And the rotors also come in 3 different options. You can just get a slotted, drilled, or drilled and slotted.
I guess it's time to install the big brake kit. Are you guys ready?
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we're done installing the brakes. What do you think, Randy?
Honestly, I'm not just saying this because I got really cool brakes on my car, but they were direct bolt-on. We had no issues at all. And if you guys watch my channel, sometimes installs take up to 2 days to 3 days. We finished all today, and they look amazing. I'm pretty sure you guys can see for yourself in today's video.
If you guys are interested in a big brake kit, link below, Instagram right here. Check them out. They have a large range of applications for pretty much anything you want to put together. Lots of customization. Definitely a good company. You should check them out.
And Alvin will be answering all questions through DMs, and everything is customizable down to pistons and brake size and everything. This is the perfect setup for my wheel setup, and they took care of everything, and today went by smooth. We're actually surprised. If you guys come up close, if these brakes were any bigger, they would have not cleared. It's literally down to the millimeter. Like if we take off this little slip-on spacer, it hits. So today was cool, and my car looks that much better. Huge shout out to APG. I'm super stoked on this collab. So the APG X Illiminate Big Brake Kit is not only for me, we're also going to be offering, so the APG X Illiminate Big Brake Kit is not only for me, we're also going to be offering a limited amount for you guys. So if you guys are interested and looking for a big brake kit, hit up Alvin, he'll let you guys know and you can customize it to any color of your choice. Available now. All right, cut everybody. Great job, great job. I'll see you guys in the next Fast and Furious movie.